Right, back again. So we're now going to make a game. So we need to go back. This is going to be the Tappy Tap app. We're going to have three screens on this: an introduction, a game one, and a points score. So we're going to go back and we're going to go to our design page, and we're going to come down here and we're going to make. You know what we're going to do here. We're going to press on the button here. We're going to press duplicate. Alright, it says it's button 4. I don't want to be button 4. This needs to be button underscore menu underscore TT for Tappy Tap. Okay. And I'm going to write Tappy Tap there. Where am I? So that needs to be 10. All the other things are set up. I think the last one was 160, so add 50 onto that will be 210. Yeah, look at that, perfect. Oh, what colour are we going for here? Ooh, like, yeah, pinky purpley. Oh, I like that. Round about there. Ah, that looks cool. Right, so there's my number. I've copied it to the clipboard, so the page in that can be that colour as well. Everything else on there looks absolutely as I want it to. So I'm going to go to a new screen this time. No, I go to the one dice screen. I go to the one dice screen. I'm on here. I am going to duplicate it. I'm making sure that I am on screen 2. So I press down here, make sure I'm on screen 2. So this is going to be called underscore TT1 for Tappy Tap 1. I'm going to change my colour. Oh, that's a good colour. All right. So label underscore TT1 underscore title. Tappy Tap. Okay. Okay, lovely. So do I need this big one here? I do actually, because this is going to give me instructions. Okay. So this is going to be label underscore TT1 underscore instructions. Okay, I'm going to write the text in here later on. So I'm going to say hold text. Okay, so it's really quite big, and I need this game here. So I'm going to keep that the same. So I'm going to. What am I going to do with this font size? Let's go 18. Okay, yeah, that's probably about right. But I'll write all that stuff in there in a bit. I might even write that in code. So this here is label TT1 instructions, and so this is going to be button underscore TT1 underscore start. Change the colour. I do like that colour. Okay, and then this one here, that's going to be button underscore TT1 underscore home. Okay, it didn't like that. Why didn't it like that? Oh, because I've got an exclamation out there rather than the one. That's better. Okay, so that's good, and we'll keep that red. Happy days. Okay, so I need a second screen now, which is going to be pretty much empty. All right, but I'm going to keep the same color. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to press on the background screen here, so it looks like this. I put an exclamation mark in there, didn't I? That should have been 1. Okay, so I'm now going to duplicate it and press on the screen. So this is screen underscore TT2. Keep it the same color. I don't want a title now, so let's go in. I don't want a text. Let's go in. I don't want that. Let's go in. And I don't want that. Let's go in. All gone. Lovely. What I do need to put on here is a red and blue. So I'm going to go to image. I'm going to drag an image onto here, and this is going to be image underscore TT2 underscore blue. Alright, so we're going to use these more than once. And image. So the width and the height of this, I'm going to start off at being 200. And it doesn't matter where it is on the, 20 maybe, 50. Yeah, 50 is about right. Okay. And the position doesn't matter. I'm going to go and import. So upload files. So we've got the heads and tails in there already. And I'm going to go to my picture section, computer science, wherever you've stored it. And there is my blue dot. And while I'm here, I might as well also load my red dot. There we go. Alright, but I'm going to choose my blue dot for now because I've called it blue. Shall I give it a border colour? Yeah, let's give it a border colour. No, it's going to put a square on it. No, I don't want to do that. Okay, so we'll leave that. Alright, so it just leaves it blue and it's got a transparent background. Lovely. I'm going to put another image in here, and so this is going to measure. This is TT2 underscore red. I bet you couldn't guess that. We went 50-50, didn't we? 50. Doesn't matter what that is, and let's go and choose our red one. I pressed on it. Why did I press on it? That was a stupid thing to do, wasn't it? I meant to choose it. Okay, and so that one's in there as well. Alright, so that's that screen done. Let's go back to TT1 because I want to put the red and blue dots on there. So image, I'm going to go and put them in here, and let's make them 50-50 as well. 50-50. So this is going to be image underscore TT1 underscore blue. Okay, insert. Oh, you twit! I pressed it again, haven't I? Choose. Happy days. I'm just going to move that down here a little bit, and I'm going to do the same thing now with the red dot. So image underscore TT1 underscore red. Width 50 and width 50, and the X position will just move that over just a touch. Choose image red. Okay. Alright, well, let's get the text on here as well then. Might as well while we're here. Text. You have 10 seconds to tap the blue as often as you can. Avoid the reds. Alright, so I can make that a little bit bigger actually, can't I? So 24. That works. That works. Okay. And then I need the final screen. So when it reaches the end, we go to 3, and it's going to look more like this one. So I'm going to press back on here, so it's not just the instructions. I'm going to go to duplicate. So I'm going to duplicate and click on here, and this is screen underscore TT3, and same colour. Lovely. So this one, Tappy Tap game. So label underscore TT3. Tappy Tap score. Okay. Right. I'm going to leave this pretty blank. I don't need these. So I'm going to delete the red and the green. delete those. Yeah, so I'm going to keep this button underscore TT3 start again. Start again. And then this would be button underscore TT3 underscore home. It says home, does all that stuff. Right, we're ready to go.